In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best rate discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for rate discount code. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com and open it. As you can see, we have right here a list with different type of promo codes. For example, if you want to get this 10% discount of any order, simply tap on the promotion right here and this page will show up where you have the promo code. You can tap right here to copy this promo code and you can apply the voucher on your next purchase to get that 10% discount. Also, if you go back to your main search right here and scroll down a little bit, you will find this website which is called simplycodes.com, which also have some promo codes right here that we can use, as you can see. And we also have this today best deal, which is 20% discount. So if you want to get this discount, simply tap on copy code right here, and this is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy the promo code, and you can use this one on your next purchase to get the 20% discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.